Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious creamy salad recipe. I'm talking about vegetable salad. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here is my China salad leaf. Yes, it is called Chinaku in Dutchland. So here is salad leaf, and you can actually use the cabbage and any other salad leaf you think about or you want to use. I first of all cut off the head of it, and then I chopped into this smaller pieces, and that is because I want this to be edible for the children. Remember, when you have kids at home, you must do things the way it will be easier or easy for them to consume. So here is my carrot. I've actually washed this carrot. I'll be cutting off the head, and after that I'll be doing what? I'll be grating it with this my grater, as you can rightly see. So look at the sizes. Did you see that as well? It's part of it. So people, one thing I do is I soak my carrots with hot water. Before then I add in salt, and then I pour in hot water. This is to remove that coloration of the carrot, because if that coloration of the carrot goes into your salad without wasting much time, it can make it go sour. Did you hear that? So here I'm preparing lukewarm water. I've already added salt to pour it into this my salad leaf, and now I'll be pouring that water away, and you can see the residual, what came out of it. And now people, all our salad is clean, even the carrots as well, as you can rightly see. And after that people, we are going to be doing what? We are going to combine the both, and we are going to stir. And after the stirring, I'm going to pour it into a bigger sieve to allow it to drain excess water, because I don't want to see water in this salad. Okay people, so you can see how I'm combining that, and now I'll be pouring it into the sieve, and now you can see that is how it will drain out water. So if you have watched up to this time, remember to like this video, share, comment at the end, and please, if you are new, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell, so I be among the first to be alerted anytime I upload new videos. And for my newcomers, you are highly welcome, and make yourself very comfortable on this page. So here is the olive seed I'll be adding to this, and also I have the baked beans finely washed, and also I have the corn. Remember, you can add or subtract what you don't like. You can actually add in the cucumber, the onions, the tomatoes, any other thing you wish. And here I've already put this into the bowl, the salad and the carrot, and I'm adding in the nicely washed olive seed and corn. So here I'm actually dicing the egg with the egg slicer. And now you can see me chopping in the fresh tomatoes. This is a sweet tomato, so I am adding that as well. So in case you're wondering how I normally make my salad, this is a full video to guide and protect you all the way. Did you hear me say that? Yes. So here is the cream I'll be using. I pour in the ketchup already, and here is the cocktail sauce. And also people, I'll be adding in the mayonnaise. Add the cream as you wish and make it look creamy. Okay, so this mayonnaise is actually Salat Mayonnaise, and now you can see me. It's my daughter trying to pick up something. I don't know if you saw that clip. And now people, you can see me making the combination. Make sure you marinate the cream into the salad and every other thing in it. Remember, you can add in other things if you wish. And now here it is set. I'm just going to bring in my jollof rice I already prepared. I'll just put in the salad by the side, and then we have to enjoy this. And people, let me tell you here, I can actually add in onions, I can actually add in cucumber, I can add in other things. But this salad was prepared so that the kids will enjoy every part of it. Because sometimes our kids don't know how to chew a lot of things in salad, but egg is very okay, and they also enjoy it. Okay, so here it is. You can see the food is served. You can see how this is looking. Tell me the truth, is this not looking inviting, mouth-watering, and actually delicious to taste? Look at the end product, look at the end result. And I know somebody out there is craving for a healthy salad, and that's why I say like this video people. Come and join me eat because it is eating time and no time to waste. And I hope you have enjoyed every clip of this video, and I know you are going to be doing this for your family and people on a good and pleasant note. It will be a very great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.